All right, y'all, so look at this area where we at, man. They got like a cosmetics place over here. And there's some coffee shops right here, bro. It's pretty dope, I think. You got two fat guys in the middle fighting.
单曲调性的偏酸一点点的，然后还有一个坚果偏黑巧的。
It's cool. Everything made of wood in here. Nice little vibe. The weather is beautiful too. Hello. We go here? Yes. Cool, bro. This is one of my boys we played with before at the blue court. Let's see what they got. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Good. What you been up to, man?
Came back.
You came back to Guangzhou?
Came back to Guangzhou.
Chilling. What's up, man? You was talking like you already training already, bro. I thought you already started.
Yeah, early bird.
Early bird.
Fresh as hell, rockin' Prada. Hopping out the PJ with a model. Swimming in a baddie trying to.
About to get some shots out with my boy, man. Do a little light stretch first. I was up early this morning. I woke up super early this morning, but I wasn't really sleepy. Actually, I was sleepy, but I woke up just to go to the gym, lift weights. I'm D, nice to meet you.
He will be teaching us today. Yeah.
You speak English?
Not really, but he on like basketball camp and a basketball young team in Guangzhou.
Okay, cool. Let's do it. Less. I travel like shit just now. Hey! And one! Hey, and one! First 20 minutes in, how you feel, bro?
Hi, bro.
You tired?
Haven't touched basketball for like a month.
You look good though, actually. The Jeezy bag. Kevin, you can hoop. You can hoop.
He like a small Jokic. Tell me.
I like that.
What position you play?
I like pass first guy.
Yeah.
Pass first guy.
But you like what, a 4 or 5?
Yeah. Well, a body of 2 to 3, but mine is a 4 to 5.
How tall are you? How tall are you? Y'all the same height.
No, he's a little taller.
I got us, we good? 冷吧，冷吧，冷吧。哎，还有一个，还有一个。Let's go! Nice! Oh! Damn! There you go, 加油加油 There you go. There we go. Perfect.
Thank you, bro.
啊！我是狼，我操 ！I'm a wolf. Yeah, the move. I pulled a chair. Good move though. I'm actually low-key tired. I'm coming off an injury right now, so I'm not really like 100%. Nice. So I'm not like jumpy right now, but it's all good. Hey! He's tired, look. There you go. One more, one more, one more. He's trying to cheat. There you go, nice. Good job, boy. That's for you, Brody.
And the Wolfpack tie, bro.
That's the Wolfpack tights, man, for my doggy.
Yes, sir.
That's the Wolfpack shirt for my doggy.
Yes.
Here you go.
Twin ski.
That water looks fire.
Yeah.
Which one is your crib?
But it really seems like Beverly Hills, right?
The hills.
Yes.
For sure. Shit, look. Y'all look at bro.
He's tired as
He
shit.
tired as hell. Let's check him out.
Let's check him out.
I know he tired.
你们刚到哦。Spot,
Nah,
bro.
that's fire. Where you got me at, Jay?
Local
It's this
shit.
artwork, man. It's beautiful over here, too.
每个东西我这样。
Bro crib, like, right over here. Where you want to sit, Brody?
回，肯定要回。
But yeah, y'all, we're in the hills of Guangzhou. My boy Jay lives right across that water, right over there. I don't know if y'all can see it good, but we're gonna go over there a little bit later.
美味松，
Bro, you gotta teach me that. I didn't even know you could project it to the screen though.
开始。
Oh yeah, okay. Oh, okay. B5 Star Foundation, what up, y'all?
对，好，我看一眼。
Bro, you
你好，再帮我再多点一个粥好不好？或者再点。
Bro, you should have came and did this. You should have came and did this workout with me this morning, but I knew you wasn't gonna wake up. I had left at like 9 a.m. Who your favorite foreigner friend in the world? Currently eating a Chinese delicacy. It's called baozi. Let's see.
Oh.
That's good. What we got here?
No.
Let's see what we got here. It's good, bro?
Hella good.
It's like some type of
Sure.
noodle, egg, shrimp, noodle, egg type thing.
More local. Chicken feet, bro.
Chicken feet, man.
Yeah, you gotta try it this time, bro.
Bet. Let's see what this
怎么
chicken
样？这个
feet.
分的好不好喝？
This is definitely my favorite from the dim sum. These dumplings with like shrimp in the middle. So good, man.
啊？像啥？
Huh? But that's 3 cameras on there, right? 1, 2. 你的车好看。我喜欢你的车。That's a charger? That's a phone charger, huh?
充电的吗？充电。Yeah.
Get inside his car, man. Look at bro whip right here.
He got a Louis
You
bag.
sure that's hard? Nah, his bag hard. I see the Louis bag. I see the drip. I see the drip, man.
See that thing?
我听不懂广东话，我听不懂广东话，对，
听得懂广东话吗？
我听不懂。
你是哪里人？
美国人，
哦哟，
你不喜欢美国吗？
不是不喜欢。
为什么你不喜欢？我靠！
你是谁到的哦？
Look, check out the left. You know what's this hotel? I'm gonna tell you what this hotel.
This a hotel?
Yeah, this is a hotel. So only for president. On the left, here. That hotel, like when president, or I don't know, like every country's president in Guangzhou, he live here. They're gonna stay here.
Oh, so if Korea president come
Yeah,
here,
or American president.
Donald Trump come here, he stay there.
Yeah. Wide, right?
Let me show y'all something real quick. I just wanted to show y'all that. Just wanted to show y'all a little motivation for myself. Look at his neighbor's crib. We're in the hills of Guangzhou. Literally, it's called the Hidden Hills of Guangzhou. That's where Jay lives. Should I close this door?
No, my friend
It feel like the house got bigger, bro.
warm, so warm.
We literally, y'all, just had lunch over there. You tired from the hoop? My legs was starting to hurt. Like, when we started doing the running shit, I felt like CBA again, you know? But I'm gonna take a shower, that's cool? Ni hao. Ni hao. Stu got an elevator in his crib, man. In the crib, y'all.
In the crib.
He can easily just take the steps, but why not take the elevator, right? We in the easy crib, y'all.
The new seat. Oh my god. I don't know what's that seat for. My dad just put a seat right there.
Let me think about my next 100 million. Let me sit here and think about my next. Nah, this hard.
Is this hard? You like the new setup, bro?
I love it. I love it. Beautiful. Get them fish right there, man. It's motivation to y'all. I don't want to go inside here, but this like the sacred room right here, little prayer room, you know, give thanks, you know, stuff like that. But I already gave y'all a tour of Bro Crib before.
First time in 2025, right?
Those fire right there. I don't know what that are, but
Dior
those.
Travis Scott.
Oh, those Dior's?
Dior with Travis Scott.
Those hard, bro.
Yeah, Dior with Travis Scott.
Well, Travis Scott got merch,
Travis
bro.
fucking Scott, bro.
Chinese people like Travis Scott?
Yeah.
Bro got a library in his crib, man. I've been here so many times now, but it's just still, every time I've been here, every time I come here, it's like a new feeling, you know? Motivation. It's not about stunting. This ain't my stuff. This ain't my crib.
Yeah.
Who sleep here, ya Ai?
Sometimes Austin, sometimes. I used
Okay, okay.
You think so?
Yeah, that's perfect.
I think they have all this shit.
I used this one last time, I think. Hey, you drippy. Where you going, man?
To the game.
You going to the basketball game?
Yes.
Finna hit the CBA game real quick. But you definitely dripped out, bro. Appreciate you inviting us over today. Wolfpackers, y'all see my boy Crib, man. We'll be back here again for sure.
And We're going to Chengdu in 2 days.
Yup, we are traveling, y'all. We're going to Chengdu
Keep
here in
following
China
us.
in 2 days.
Keep following the wolf pack.
We need to go
Orange
visit the
shake.
pandas, man. No cap.
Hot pot.
Goat, wolf,
Hot
going to
pot.
see pandas.
Hot pot.
Get famous hot pot in Sichuan.
Let's see what's up in Chengdu, bro.
Bet.
Let's see what's up in Chengdu.
Bet.
And we're gonna have a event. So we're not gonna see you,
Yeah,
right?
right. Yeah, y'all take your time on that for sure.